Hey guys, welcome back to my channel here. This is Penguin Tech. Today I'm going to show you what happens, what to do if you have a faulty controller, aircon controller. So here with me I have a Daikin DGS01 and this is fully functional, but let's just say if you have a broken controller, then what you can do is just to buy an OEM one. That easy. So as you can see, this is the OEM one with a different color on the buttons, and also you can see here this is the GS01 which matches the model number here. Now you can buy this online, which is under 10 ringgit and comes with battery. So this is what you can, this is the battery. As you can see, it's brand new, it's pretty clean, and then the plastic is a bit harder compared to this, which is easy to open. But when you buy, you want to make sure that you have a identical model number DGS01, DGS01. So if you're using DGS02, you have to find one that's matching DGS02. And now I wanted to show you that it really works. So let me just show you the original one. So there you go, it's running, and then I wanted to drop temperature and then off the aircon, and then now I'm going to try with this OEM one that's under $10. So here we go, it just works. You can also adjust the temperature, the fan speed, the modes. And then you can also the fan speed, and then quiet mode, turbo mode. Then the timer on and off all works also, sleep mode, and then you can also turn it off. So yeah, what I noticed is that compared to the old one that I have, this only have like 3 modes, as you can see. But this one came with 5 modes. So that's definitely because of older aircon brand here, and just for your information, I'm using Daikin. So yeah, very easy to set up. So and also very cheap. So if you have any trouble with your original controller, just buy another OEM one and it will work just as fine. So thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe and share my video if you find it useful, and I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.